to Seher Bhamla, who initiated this beautiful cleanathon drive, because she's been doing this every week. And school, the volunteer students from the Jamnabai are here, and all of us are going to be joining hands for the live, are joining hands for this beautiful mega cleanathon, which is happening. It's completing 550 weeks.
Paraji, good morning.
So just moments from now, we're going to start this cleanathon and request all the volunteers.
Wait.
Please
Wait, Paraji, यहाँ पर देखो परा मैडम.
Good
morning, madam.
There is a hydration station also from Bisleri, the hydration partner for this cleanathon. Along with Bisleri, along with Cafe Muthuswamy and Jamnabai International School.
Thank you, madam.
All coming together for this beautiful cause of Mega Cleanathon.
पराजी कैसे हो?
ये दिलीप को याद कर रहे हैं कब?
चलो सब लोग साफ करेंगे।
सब साफ करेंगे आज.
नाश्ता बना रहे बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं।
हमारे साथ भी एक शो
उसका भी एक काम है। चलो तुम लोग के घर पे बुलाओ मेरे को।
बट वेज बिरयानी है.
बाय मैडम. चलो.
The taller boys just sit down, no? Like are in front.
Or D.Y. Patil, quickly.
They're very tall. They're still covering.
Minal, Sanya, Ritisha, go.
Look center.
Thank you.
Volunteers here who've come up early in the morning and upright in the sun. So let's not waste more time, but start this cleanup as soon as possible. And again, once again, congratulations, Asif ji, Seher, thank you so much.
Yeah. And let's flag off. I think, can we have the flags? Thank you. So आपने देखा, can we have some pictures, group pictures and all coming up? So all the representative of Jamnabai, please raise your hand. I know it's बहुत गर्मी है, but there's a good supply of water by high hydration partner Bisleri, and we have some soft drinks and their favorite drinks for you all, and we have some good snacks from Muthuswamy Rami Group. आइए. Raj Lakshmi, if you're here, please come on stage. Raj Lakshmi. Okay. United Way, Samarth Bharat, United Way, all of them have been working religiously and working very hard for doing this waste management and all the justifying the waste what they have been, what जो कचरा हम अपने घर में करते हैं उसको हम justify करते हैं. Thank you, Samarth Bharat United. Asif Bhamla ji, to please, Raj Lakshmi, please come, sir. Mr. Ullas ji, आइए. आइए, please. Raj Lakshmi, and sir, please give this beautiful sir.
Forget that here. And me coming on as an ambassador for this is just me trying to tell you guys that, hey, listen, we need to, speak up on this matter and not just talk the talk but walk the walk. And I'm glad to be here today. Thank you guys for all the effort you put in. I'm from the same school as Jamnabai. I've been here before. So I know this must be hectic today, but thank you guys for showing up and putting all this work in on this sunny day and many more to come. Thank you guys.
So Tick Plastic, Plastic Tick Na Paye. Vedant is going to be leading this campaign and this year's youth ambassador for Beat Plastic Pollution. So Vedant, I request you please join. Please come, please come. Please present the Momentum Trophy to Vedant. Sir. Request sir, please just give away this. Yeah. Thank you, Vedant. This the youth has been waiting for you. And before we start, come here.
इनका कैमरा मैन है क्या? सड़कते
माहौल चाहिए ना पूरा भाई, खाली उसका चाहिए पुलिस जूम नहीं है किसी के पास कैमरा में। अभी मैं भाई मेरा जूम बताऊंगा ना तुम्हारे।
ओके, तो अभी मैं चाहूँगी कि हमारे जो पापराजी भाई हैं वो भी बीच क्लीन करेंगे हमारे साथ। एंड थैंक यू आसिफ, थैंक यू सर। सर चली गई
पीछे आ जाओ, इंसिडेंट में जाओ मेरे को।
और मुझे सुबह सुबह बुलाने के लिए, और मैं तो टाइम से पहले आ गई थी। आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव। और ये हफ्ते में कितने बार करते हो तुम लोग?
But we do a symbolic thing when it's 50 weeks old,
ओके
or when it's month.
ओके।
Only then we do a big like a photo op.
तो मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि हर हफ्ते हम क्लीन अप करें। इससे बेटर है आप कचरा मत फेंको ना बीच पे, प्लीज।
Thank you so much, Farah, and a big round of applause for Farah. I request the CEO of Bisleri, who is always here with us, and Bisleri has been providing water to all our students here who come here, who relentlessly work. So they've been giving us water for weeks and weeks together. I request Mr. Angelo to speak a few words on sustainability and the PET bottles. In short, I request Mr. Angelo. A big round of applause for Mr. Angelo.
Good morning and thanks to everyone who has joined here. It's a great privilege for me and Bisleri to be associated with this event. At Bisleri, sustainability is not just our responsibility, but it's a way of life. Through our Bottles for Change initiative, we have actually been driving awareness and action for proper segregation and recycling of plastic. In fact, we are one of the first companies in India to become plastic neutral, that we recycle more plastic than we put into the market. And contrary to perceptions that you have, the PET bottle of Bisleri or any other beverage is completely recyclable and it should be repurposed. People should understand that used plastic is valuable and it is not to be thrown away. It can be sent for recycling. I am thankful to Mr. Bamla and Seher and the Bamla Foundation for bringing together citizens, corporates and civic bodies for this wonderful initiative. Partnerships like this give us greater strength to scale up our efforts. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Angelo ji. And we had this myth and misconception about Bisleri bottle, but yes, it's a recycled thing. Now I request Seher to please give a beautiful momentum to Lakshmi Manchu ji. Seher, please hand away this momentum and a beautiful gift hamper from DY Patil. And can I have a sapling for the हमारे शंकराचार्य जी के लिए एक सैपलिंग प्लीज लाइए सर, प्लीज गिव अ ब्यूटीफुल सैपलिंग टू शंकराचार्य जी. Lakshmi ji, people are looking at you. They were all looking at your glasses and they want to see, because they are in the sun, they want to hear something very important from you. For this, please come on the center stage.
Very good morning. Thank you for having me here. It's really for all the dignitaries on the stage and my dear students. Wow. What I know of this river to be and what I see right now is just incredible. I want to first congratulate Bhamla ji, Asif ji and Saher. What an incredible work. I think, you know, being a Swachh Bharat ambassador, we do so many drives, but to see consistency and sustainability is really, really hard. And it's incredible that you have, not just doing it over a weekend, but you continuously for over 550 weeks. 2,000 weeks. Now, okay, so 2,000 weeks is what you're going to get to, or is it? Fantastic. That's the target.
I don't know if we'll be there to see that.
But that's a commitment, right? To be committed to take care of a place and make sure it's clean and livable. I feel like we can come and play here now. Otherwise, we can't even stand or walk. So, Saher, wonderful work. And I hope this really affects the kids who are here and the communities around here. And as Faraji said, just don't put the trash out there, because this is our land and our space. And if we don't keep it clean, nobody else will, right? So I hope all your efforts do not go in vain, and that people do get more aware of all the work that you're doing. All the very best, dear. Congratulations. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Lakshmi ji, and absolutely this team of Bhamla Foundation is actually committed to do this, but not alone. Absolutely, a lot of contribution has been happening from the Burhani Foundation. I request Saher Bhamla to please present this beautiful, and Asif Bhamla ji to present this moment to Sheikh Moiz Wahiji ji, representative of Bora community. Yeah. Thank you, Bora community, the Burhani Foundation, who's been actually working with us and with many other associations with the beach cleanup. The entire Burhani Foundation, all of y'all, has contributed so much in multiple beach cleanups. Now I request Ishita ji, please, a few words to motivate these children this sunny morning.
Thank you. Firstly, all the kids from all the schools, both the schools, can we hear a yay?
Hey, yeah, come on, loud, yeah.
Arey, I can't hear you guys. Jamna bhai, you can do better. Come on. DY Patil, 1, 2, 3, yay! Yeah, azun louder. Come on, one more time. 1, 2, 3, Jamna bhai. No, Jamna bhai, I can't hear you.
DY.
1, 2, 3, Jamna bhai. Okay, DY, can we do better than Jamna bhai? Azun louder. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Jamna bhai. DY Patil is like Navi Mumbai and let's go. Okay, so thank you. I won't take up your time. मैं बस और एक जोरदार ताली आमची हे बायकांना जोरदार एक ताली. They are the actual cleaners. I've been noticing them. एकदम मस्त. So really fantastic. As parents, I think I speak for all the mothers on stage. Anyways, we do a lot of talk about this in our schools, and I know all of you do. और हमारे लिए ये अब रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी है, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे ये सिखाते हैं हमें. और आप लोगों को यहाँ देख के बहुत उम्मीद है आने वाले कल के लिए. So thank you so much, and that's it from me. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. And now we have Meghna Gai ji. She's daughter of Subhash Gai ji. Meghna ji, please, I know you are youth. Saher and Meghna and Ishita, all of you all coming and doing this beautiful job. Meghna, with your thoughts.
Thank you. First of all, many congratulations to the schools, the parents of all these kids who have shown up this morning. It's very difficult, for this generation to be up and doing work and taking action. And I feel extremely grateful to be here amongst all of you. I think to make a change in the world, one person needs to stand up. And that one person standing up helps others stand up too. So I'm really, really grateful to Seher, who's such a young, dynamic girl. We are so impressed with her and her passion and what she's doing for the planet. So thank you, and thank you for involving us. And I hope we can keep helping you in some way or the other. Thank you, once again. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Seher. And all the very best, all of you. Again, just gratitude for all the volunteers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Meghna. And from the Jamna Bai, we have Sonali Gandhi ji. Sir, please felicitate Sonali Gandhi ji. And with a beautiful sapling. Sir. And represent from the DY party, please present this. Sonali ji, this was completely impossible with all the head being chewed by Seher. Of yours have been seeing this, but yes, this joint initiative, which is very wonderful. There's a small momentum from the DY Patil decal also. And Ramana ji, please. Ramana ji, your thoughts on this beautiful morning. Acha, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Sonali, ma'am. Please.
Good morning, everyone. To begin with, I'd like to extend our gratitude to the Bhamla Foundation, to Asif ji and Seher particularly, because they continue to do such fabulous work for the benefit of the community, directly affecting the planet. We have a young dynamic trustee, Shri Sujay Jairaj, who we are missing right now. He regrets not being able to join us, but sends his best wishes. And we love that when they do such fabulous work, they ensure that we are able to collaborate and our children are able to contribute in equal measure. So thank you for the opportunity, and we can looking forward to further collaborations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ramana ji, please, your thoughts on this beautiful morning.
Hi, I just wanted to say it's fantastic. It's fantastic to see the whole place filled and clean. It's just amazing what they have done, and I'm so proud of them and so proud to be part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramana ji. And I like it is happening ready for Mr. the Council General of Israel, Mr. Kobi Shasharji, and also the patron and a favorite of the Bhamla Foundation.
Thank you so much, and I have to say that I'm representing the diplomatic corps here, and I have to say you that your work, it works, and the SIF and the SIF Bhamla Foundation, Seher, and all the staff of Bhamla, because I was here last year. It was terrible. See what's happened today? That's your job. Thank you so much.
And actually, as you committed, we're going to have a volleyball beach and multiple sports.
I promise to be up here.
Absolutely, incoming.
That's my.
Thank you so much. That's a beautiful gift from Kobi ji. And can Seher present the small sapling to sir? So I think startup Asif bhai, let's flag off कर देते हम अच्छा तो अब हमने सबकी बात की अब हमारे शंकराचार्य जी भी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे तो दो शब्द आपके लिए आप भी प्लीज हमारे युवाओं के लिए
भारत माता की जय। आज की इस भामला फाउंडेशन की तरफ से आसिफ भाई और उनकी बेटी आज मुझे आग्रह से बुलाया और मुझे इस चीज़ की पसंद की है कि आप सब यहाँ क्लीन करने के लिए आए हैं और आपका कार्य हर घर में पहुँचे। घर से शुरुआत यदि कर दिए कि कचरा बाहर नहीं फेंकेंगे तो नदी तक कोई कचरा आएगा ही नहीं। तो हम लोग सब लोग आज से एक ऐसा शपथ करें कि घर के बाहर कचरा फेंके नहीं और नदी से पानी बहता रहे। ये आप सब लोग आज से संकल्प करिए कि कचरा दूर तो गंदगी दूर। जय द्वारकाधीश।
धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शंकराचार्य जी। एंड वी हैव वैशाली शिंदे जी, जोरदार तालियां फॉर वैशाली शिंदे जी। एंड दिस इज योर वैशाली जी, this is your fourth time, the fourth Cleanathon she's been witnessing. Can I have the trophy and the momentum ready? Seher. वैशाली जी वेलकम। एंड आपने यहाँ पर बहुत सारे क्लियरथॉन हमारे साथ किया है, जो आपने जू में भी किया है और इससे पहले भी आप यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं। तो आप जो मीठी नज़र पहले देख रही थी उसमें काफ़ी चेंज आ चुका है, इट्स बिकम मोर ब्यूटीफुल, मोर क्लीनर। हमारा क्लियरथॉन सुबह 6 बजे से शुरू हुआ था बिकॉज द हाई टाइड वॉज स्टार्टेड। सो सेकंड राउंड इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, बट रिक्वेस्ट Seher Bamla ji and the Dr. Srinivas ji to please present this beautiful moment. Asif Bamla ji also to please join and give this momentum to Vaishali Shinde ji. Ma'am, please come in the center stage. Madam, please आगे आ जाइए। वैशाली शिंदे जी, वैशाली श्रीकांत शिंदे जी, एक्चुअली हमारे आदरणीय श्रीकांत शिंदे जी की हमारे भाभी जी या very active and she's actually Vaishali ji, before the sun start, can we have few words from Vaishali ji? Okay, I have the representative from the G North Ward, Nilesh Bhoir ji, please आइए। आपका बहुत सारा काम हम लोग देखते आ रहे हैं। वैशाली जी and Angelo ji to please give a beautiful momentum.
ये नहीं, एक मिनट, अरे भाई एक मिनट रुक। अरे सब बहुत, अरे तू तो है ना हवा में लगे। ए भाई पीछे जाओ, पीछे जाओ। तिवारी जी आगे आइए, लेकिन इधर खड़े रहो, दूर खड़े रहो ना थोड़ा। अरे ये साइड पे आ जाओ यार, आगे खड़े रहो, खड़े रहो, दूर से लगा हुआ कैमरा। मत जाओ भाई, पीछे थोड़ा सा भाई। मैडम थोड़ा पीछे जाओ, उस तरफ पीछे रहिए ना। ओ दादा शहर भाई उस तरफ जाइए। हां जाइए बस बिना हेमंत हुआ हवा हो ये ऐसे और बास्केट मंगाइए ना। ये कैमरा ला स्वामी। हां कैमरा ला भाई, गिम्बल मेरा खत्म हो गया ना। मैडम थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए थोड़ा सा। ए हेमंत और थोड़ा सा बाजू में हटो ना, फोटो। ओ सर आगे आओ ना, हेल्प करो। मैम अरे मोबाइल थोड़ा पीछे रखिए ना आप लोग। यहाँ से मिलेगा आपको। क्या करूँ, उसका आ रहा है मेरे फ्रेंड तो जूम है ना, उसके अंदर मिलेगा यहाँ से भी आपको। पीछे जाओ, एक्सक्यूज मी। चलो
फराह जी, बहुत बहुत इस्तकबाल, स्वागत आपका। एंड यू लुकिंग शाइनिंग लाइक अ सन, लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल इन पिंक। तो अब चलते हैं, थोड़ा हाथ मैला करेंगे, बट बिफोर दैट आसिफ भाई, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, विल वेट फॉर अदर्स फॉर द टाइम।
want her to meet Bobby, you met?
Yeah, please.
Consul General of Israel. Very, very dear.
हमारे बीच जगत गुरु सूर्य आचार्य कृष्णा देवानंद गिरी जी महाराज मौजूद हैं। इनका भी मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। देखिए, जब सब धर्म जाति के लोग, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हो या वो एक पुलिस ऑफिसर जो मेरे सामने खड़ा है, वो हर कोई जब एक साथ मिलकर के एक अभियान की तरफ अपना हाथ बढ़ाता है, तो धरती की सेवा करने के लिए सब जब एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आते हैं तब ये अच्छा कार्य होता है। जैसे हमने 550 वीक कंप्लीट किया है और आज इसका बहुत बड़ा कंप्लीशन है।
क्लीनअप के लिए आए हैं माहिम में। बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि भामला फाउंडेशन इज़ हेडिंग इट एज दे ऑलवेज हैव इन एनवायरमेंटल कॉजेज़। मैंने अपने बर्थडे के लिए भी प्लांटेशन करी थी भामला फाउंडेशन के साथ, और वो बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज़ें करते रहते हैं एनवायरनमेंट के लिए। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी देयर वेलनेस एम्बेसडर। थैंक यू सहर फॉर डूइंग दिस एंड टू आसिफ सर हु पुट इन सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट। आज बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस से बच्चे आए हैं जो एनएसएस का पार्ट है। मैं भी अपने कॉलेज में एनएसएस का पार्ट थी और मुझे पता है कितने काम करने पड़ते थे उस टाइम भी, और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि आज के बच्चे, आज का यूथ इतना इंटरेस्टेड है ये सब करने में। जब मैं आई तो मुझे पता चला कि बीच क्लीनिंग आदि तो बच्चे कर ही चुके हैं, तो हम लोग सिर्फ आई फील एज एन एक्टर आई हैव अ लिटिल इन्फ्लुएंस। तो जितना भी मेरा इन्फ्लुएंस है मैं वो यूज़ करना चाहती हूँ। मैं लोगों को बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे ये छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स हैं जो हमारी इन्वायरमेंट को बेटर कर सकते हैं। एंड आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल एज ह्यूमन बींग्स टुवर्ड्स आवर प्लानट, टुवर्ड्स ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। लेट्स फाइट इट टुगेदर। एंड मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है एक छोटा सा पार्ट इसका बन के, और जी बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं आज यहाँ हूँ। थैंक यू।
I would like to thank Rashi. Thank you so much आप यहाँ आए, and not only once but you've always come for all my causes. ये हमारा जो relation है environment day last year चालू हुआ था, and that was on a very minor level. This time it's on a serious level क्योंकि राशि जी हमारी wellness ambassador है, and we all know how she likes to be fit, how she likes to have a good impact on the society, and we also know from her choices of film, from her choices of lifestyle, from everything that she's very she wants to send out a good message, and she means good for this planet. So
thank you sir,
and to many more campaigns together.
Yes,
thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
आइए मिस्टर एंजेलो जॉर्ज, मिस्टर एंजेलो जी, आसिफ भाई प्लीज प्रेजेंट टू मिस्टर नीलेश बोहिर जी। आसिफ भाई एंड हमारे HVS वार्ड से
ओ भाई आ जाओ
सर। थांबा सर।
Sapling to Farah Khan ji. Let's give a big round of applause for Farah Khan ji. As you can see, for all around on YouTube, on all the channels, on all the channels, doing wonderful jobs. So this is from the DY Patil, Decal and Seher Bamla presenting this beautiful. Can I have a sapling for Ramona Narangji, please? A sapling for Ramona Narangji.
हाँ वही तो बोल रहा हूँ। हाँ
अरे भैया थोड़ा पीछे जाओ भैया दोस्त
पट्टी निकालो पट्टी
Can I have a sapling, please? Yeah. Vedant will give away a sapling to our patron and very close to the Bhamla Foundation. Sophie ma'am, please come here. Yes, come here. I wouldn't say this launching, but yes, sir, your thoughts for Vedant getting as a youth ambassador for World Environment 2025.
Vedant should be on time next time onwards. So, because we all are here since 5 a.m. and we've been cleaning. That's why you can walk on sand and not on kachra. Second, and yeah, so you are going to be working with us promptly on waste campaigns in your city or physically also. And we will be doing a lot of cleanup, a lot of drives on waste management, a lot of creating awareness on circular economy. So yeah, and Vedant is the youth ambassador because our generation needs to be more alert because we are living here longer than a lot of people like our parents and our kids. That's it. Yeah.
So Vedant, we've completed just 550 weeks and this is just the beginning, we always believe. So all of us joining hand and doing such beautiful camp right from Goa to Bangalore to Kerala and Mumbai. Seher and all of our team been working hard, and yes, World Environment Day as we are approaching, the theme is the Tick Tick Plastic, that is beat plastic pollution, ending plastic pollution. You being the youth face, the face who's going to be representing about the World Environment Day, representing the United Nations and your thoughts, and I think all students have been waiting for you to hear your thoughts on environment apart from you being a superstar upcoming, and you are right now.
I'm no superstar, but hello everyone, it's a great honor to be here today with the Bhamla Foundation, with Seher, and working for this amazing cause. I'm hearing Kosi River is one of the dirtiest rivers in all of India, or not even, all of it globally, and we're doing something really nice over here and really, work for the environment.
Can I have one sapling up on the stage? Hidayat, one sapling.
Yeah, there's more kachra this side.
What the fuck?
इनके गोंगे साहब प्लीज, गोंगे साहब आइए मंच पे। ये पूरी टीम हमारे एसपीएच वार्ड, एक ऐसी दुखद घटना जिसको इंसानियत में हम लोग नहीं गिनेंगे, ना कोई धर्म जाति गिनेंगे, बट हम सब लोग आग बन करके उन सारी आत्माओं के लिए दुआ करें, उनके लिए प्रार्थना करें कि वो सारी आत्माएं आज वो स्वर्ग में जाएं और ऐसा हादसा आने वाले पूरे दुनिया में कहीं ना हो। सो लेट्स पे आवर ट्रिब्यूट to the martyrs, our fellow Indians. जाने जाती है, जाने बचाई भी जाती है, बट हैट्स ऑफ टू द इंडियन आर्मी, स्पेशली वी आर एट द कोस्टल, हम यहाँ पर मुंबई के कोस्टल लाइन पर रहते हैं, तो बिग सल्यूट टू द मुंबई पुलिस ऑल्सो। मुंबई पुलिस हमेशा हम लोगों को इतना सुरक्षित महसूस रखती है। एनी पार्ट ऑफ मुंबई इज सो सेफ बिकॉज ऑफ द मुंबई पुलिस। ये खाकी वर्दी हम देखते हैं तो हमें वो सुरक्षित, स्पेशली हम चाहे वो छोटा बच्चा हो, महिला हो, लड़की हो जो कॉलेज जा रही हो, या कोई औरत है जो ऑफिस जा रही है, या हाउस वाइफ है जो बाहर बाजार खरीद रही है, जैसी खाकी वर्दी देखती है प्राउड फील करती है कि हमारे रक्षक हमारे साथ है। एंड दैट्स व्हाट मुंबईकर हैज द स्पिरिट ऑफ गोइंग ऑन। एंड आसिफ भाई, योर थॉट्स ऑन द 550 वीक्स। पहले शहर, यस।
Hello, hi. Thank you so much everybody for coming. Today I'm cleaning. Hi, thank you so much everybody for coming and cleaning the Methi River with us. And this is our second round of cleanup. Before that, at 5 o'clock we had a lot of volunteers who had come and cleaned. You wouldn't have been able to walk on sand. It was so dirty. There's only kachra over here, and that's why we got it clean. There's a lot of open defecation, and for hygiene purposes we had to get this all cleaned beforehand. And yeah, this is my 550th week of beach cleanup, and I hope this goes on till we don't see any waste. So yeah, to 2000 weeks of beach cleanup, here it is. And yeah, thank you to all you beautiful, wonderful, fearless ladies who have come and supported me. It means a lot, and you all are role models to so many, and even me. So yeah, let's go clean, and we should start the cleanup.
Thank you, sir. But I think Rajlakshmi, your association, your students were there, so a few words.
Thank you everyone for coming and showing up on this morning, and I don't want to take much of your time, but I think it's very important for all of us as the youth to come together and clean our beaches, our rivers. And thank you, Seher, for taking this initiative up, and for everyone who showed up. And let's start the cleaning.
I think we should.
Okay, let's have the flag and we flag off and we start the clean. Can I have the flags on the stage, please?
And we've all been here on time. The youth needs to come on time also.
अब एक्चुअली आप फराह खान दिखे पर आपका ड्राइवर नहीं दिख रहा है। Cook, yeah, sorry, the cook. So all the flags given to all our guests, and we'll flag off. Can I have more flags?
थोड़ा आगे है ना यार भाई, भाई या तो आगे है ना, अरे दिख ही नहीं रहा मुंह की वजह से, थोड़ा आगे है ना।
Okay, when we flag off, we start the cleanathon. So in the count of 1, 2, 3, the flags goes up and we go on the beach and clean up. Do this. So 1, 2, 3. Yay! Come on, big round of applause, and we are completing 550 week. Let's all go on the beach. It's almost clean, but yes, your contribution, wearing the gloves and picking whatever you see. Just be very careful. There may be glass pieces and all that. So, sorry. Yeah, microplastics are also there. Yeah. Please collect your snacks from Cafe Muthuswamy. All the volunteers, please have your snacks and go. Come to the snacks counter and please collect your snacks. Come on, all the snacks.